To move money from Apple Cash to Cash App, you should first open your wallet app on your iPhone and make sure the funds are in your Apple Pay or Apple Cash balance. After that, you should press the cash, which is right here. That's why I said that you should need to have Apple Cash balance. So you should press that. Then press the three dot, which you can see in your iPhone. After that is you need to transfer your bank. Press the transfer to bank. Then press next. And then choose the one that has this 1 to 3 business days, or if you want it to make a faster transaction, then you should press the instant transfer, which typically release the money real quick. Next is you should hit transfer, and after that you should go to your Cash App account. You should press this icon right here, then add cash, and then you should input the cash that you want, then add, and after that is after entering the amount, you just move from Apple Cash and then confirm.